Now, strong colors can have a great deal of impact, and sometimes that's what you want. You want to direct the eye, you want to focus the eye on something. Great idea to do that. If you want to have something that actually, the thing about neutrals, if I'm going to go back a little bit about neutrals, is that neutrals don't always give a lot of personality to a space. So if you don't know how to decorate around a space, sometimes, adding colors in on your walls actually adds part of the decor. So you're not relying on your decor around the house to give you influence or, let's say, a feel to a space. Color can give it more personality. You can go blues, like a navy blue, hard, strong color. But the thing about that is that cool colors, even though it might be strong, recede. And so it might not advance at you the same way that a warm color like a red will do. They both have a great deal of impact. It's just whether you want to have stronger energy or softer energy.